Dahulu, hiduplah seorang raja bijaksana. Long ago, a wise king lived. Seorang ratu tinggal bersamanya. A queen lived with him. Mereka belum memiliki anak. They had no children. Mereka sering berdoa bersama. They often prayed together. Suatu hari, doa terkabul. One day, prayers were answered. Seorang putri cantik lahir. A beautiful princess was born. Semua rakyat sangat bahagia. Everyone felt very happy. Istana penuh kegembiraan. The palace was full of joy. Raja mengadakan pesta besar. The king held a grand feast. Semua orang diundang. Everyone was invited. 7 peri baik datang. 7 good fairies arrived. Mereka membawa hadiah indah. They brought wonderful gifts. Peri pertama memberi kecantikan. The first fairy gave beauty. Peri kedua memberi kebaikan. The second fairy gave kindness. Peri ketiga memberi keberanian. The third fairy gave bravery. Peri keempat memberi kebijaksanaan. The fourth fairy gave wisdom. Peri kelima memberi kebahagiaan. Peri keenam memberi kasih sayang. The sixth fairy gave love. Semua orang tersenyum bahagia. Everyone smiled happily. Tiba-tiba, peri jahat datang. Suddenly, an evil fairy arrived. Semua orang terkejut. Everyone became surprised. Istana menjadi sunyi. The palace became silent. Peri jahat sangat marah. The evil fairy felt furious. Ia tidak diundang. She was not invited. Aku memberi kutukan. I give a curse. Putri akan tertidur. The princess will sleep. Jarum akan melukainya. A spindle will hurt her. Kutukan berlaku selamanya. The curse lasts forever. Semua orang ketakutan. Everyone became frightened. Peri terakhir belum memberi hadiah. The last fairy gave nothing yet. Ia mengangkat tongkatnya. She raised her magic wand. Aku tidak menghapus kutukan. I cannot remove the curse. Aku hanya mengubahnya. I can only change it. Putri tidak akan meninggal. The princess will not die. Ia hanya tertidur. She will only sleep. Seorang pangeran membangunkannya. A prince will awaken her. Dengan ciuman sejati. With true love's kiss. Semua orang merasa lega. Everyone felt relieved. Raja melarang semua jarum. The king banned every spindle. Semua jarum dimusnahkan. Every spindle was destroyed. Putri tumbuh cantik. The princess grew beautiful. Ia sangat baik hati. She was very kind. Semua orang menyayanginya. Everyone loved her. Putri selalu ceria. The princess stayed cheerful. Ia suka bernyanyi. She loved singing. Ia suka menari. She loved dancing. Ia suka bunga. She loved flowers. Ia suka burung. She loved birds. Hari-hari berlalu cepat. The days passed quickly. Putri berusia 16. The princess turned 16. Ia sangat penasaran. She felt very curious. Suatu hari, ia berjalan sendiri. One day, she walked alone. Ia menemukan menara tua. She found an old tower. Putri menaiki tangga tua. The princess climbed the old stairs. Ia melihat pintu kecil. She saw a small door. Pintu itu terbuka perlahan. The door slowly opened. Di dalam ada wanita tua. Inside, an old woman waited. Wanita itu sedang memintal benang. The woman was spinning thread. Putri belum pernah melihatnya. The princess had never seen it. Apa yang sedang dilakukan? What are you doing? Wanita tua tersenyum. The old woman smiled. Aku memintal benang. I'm spinning thread. Putri merasa penasaran. The princess became curious. Bolehkah aku mencoba? May I try? Wanita tua mengangguk. The old woman nodded. Putri memegang alat itu. The princess touched the spindle. Jarinya tertusuk jarum. Her finger touched the spindle. Kutukan langsung terjadi. The curse happened immediately. Putri langsung tertidur. The princess immediately fell asleep. Alat itu terjatuh. The spindle fell down. Wanita tua menghilang. The old woman disappeared. Kutukan menyebar cepat. The curse spread quickly. Raja tertidur. The king fell asleep. Ratu tertidur. The queen fell asleep. Para pelayan tertidur. The servants fell asleep. Para penjaga tertidur. The guards fell asleep. Semua orang tertidur. Everyone fell asleep. Api berhenti menyala. The fire stopped burning. Jam berhenti berdetak. The clocks stopped ticking. Istana menjadi sunyi. The palace became silent. Pohon berduri tumbuh. Thorny bushes started growing. Semak menutupi istana. Bushes covered the castle. Tidak ada yang masuk. Nobody entered the castle. Tidak ada yang keluar. Nobody left the castle. Banyak tahun berlalu. Many years passed. Cerita itu menyebar. The story spread everywhere. Semua orang mendengarnya. Everyone heard the story. Banyak pangeran mencoba. Many princes tried. Mereka mencari istana. They searched for the castle. Semak sangat rapat. The bushes were very thick. Tidak ada berhasil. Nobody succeeded. Mereka kembali pulang. They returned home. Tahun terus berlalu. The years kept passing. Kutukan tetap berlangsung. The curse remained unbroken. Suatu hari, pangeran muda datang. One day, a young prince arrived. Ia mendengar cerita itu. He heard the story. Ia sangat penasaran. He became very curious. Seorang pria tua berbicara. An old man spoke. Istana itu nyata. The castle is real. Putri masih tertidur. The princess still sleeps. Pangeran tidak takut. The prince felt fearless. Ia ingin menolong putri. He wanted to save her. Ia menuju hutan. He walked into the forest. Semak mulai terbuka. The bushes slowly opened. Pangeran terus berjalan. The prince kept walking. Ia melihat istana. He saw the castle. Istana tampak megah. The castle looked magnificent. Pintu terbuka sendiri. The door opened itself. Pangeran masuk perlahan. The prince entered quietly. Ia melihat semua tertidur. He saw everyone sleeping. Ia terus berjalan. He kept walking. Ia mencari sang putri. He searched for the princess. Pangeran menaiki tangga istana. The prince climbed the castle stairs. Ia membuka pintu terakhir. He opened the final door. Seorang putri sedang tertidur. A princess was sleeping. Putri tampak sangat cantik. The princess looked very beautiful. Ruangan sangat sunyi. The room was completely silent. Pangeran mendekatinya perlahan. The prince approached her slowly. Ia memandang wajah putri. He looked at her face. Pangeran merasa iba. The prince felt compassionate. Semoga kamu segera bangun. I hope you awaken soon. Pangeran mencium sang putri. The prince kissed the princess. Kutukan langsung menghilang. The curse disappeared immediately. Putri membuka matanya. The princess opened her eyes. Ia melihat sang pangeran. She saw the prince. Putri tersenyum lembut. The princess smiled gently. Halo, kata putri. Hello, said the princess. Halo, jawab pangeran. Hello, replied the prince. Mereka saling tersenyum. They smiled at each other. Saat itu juga keajaiban terjadi. At that moment, magic happened. Raja terbangun. The king woke up. Ratu juga terbangun. The queen woke up too. Para pelayan terbangun. The servants woke up. Para penjaga terbangun. The guards woke up. Semua orang terbangun. Everyone woke up. Istana kembali ramai. The castle became lively again. Api kembali menyala. The fire burned again. Jam kembali berdetak. The clocks ticked again. Burung mulai bernyanyi. The birds started singing. Bunga-bunga bermekaran. Flowers bloomed everywhere. Semak berduri menghilang. The thorny bushes disappeared. Sinar matahari bersinar cerah. The sunshine became bright. Semua orang bersorak gembira. Everyone cheered happily. Raja memeluk putrinya. The king hugged his daughter. Ratu menangis bahagia. The queen cried happily. Mereka berterima kasih. They felt very grateful. Raja menyambut pangeran. The king welcomed the prince. Pangeran memperkenalkan dirinya. The prince introduced himself. Raja sangat senang. The king felt delighted. Putri mengucapkan terima kasih. The princess thanked the prince. Pangeran tersenyum bahagia. The prince smiled happily. Wow! Beberapa hari kemudian, pesta diadakan. Several days later, celebrations began. Semua rakyat diundang. Everyone was invited. Musik terdengar merdu. Beautiful music filled the castle. Semua orang menari. Everyone danced happily. Semua orang tertawa. Everyone laughed together. Makanan lezat disajikan. Delicious food was served. Istana penuh kebahagiaan. The castle was full of happiness. Tak lama kemudian, mereka menikah. Soon, they got married. Semua orang bersukacita. Everyone celebrated joyfully. Mereka hidup bahagia selamanya. They lived happily ever after. Cinta sejati mengalahkan kutukan. True love defeated the curse. Kebaikan selalu membawa harapan. Kindness always brings hope. Jangan pernah menyerah. Never give up. Selalu berbuat baik. Always be kind. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Thank you for watching. Sampai jumpa lagi. See you again. Semua bisa bahasa Inggris.